spot. Left si Ulay.
Time clock 13 seconds. Foul, 29.
Dalawa na.
Second foul. $99. Wow. Last shot.
Easy lang. Alex, hiwalay, Alex. Hiwalay.
Beginning violation.
Nangyari.
Kabila.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Bawi. It's na. Bang. 27.
Foul, 27.
27. First foul pa lang. Bang.
Foul basket.
Sumong.
Dalawa na.
Assist. Bang. Mabagal yung natin.
Nice. Uy!
Wala.
Nice one, over.
2 points.
Tres. Pang.
Kaya.
Foul, 51.
First foul. Pasok. Sam.
Substitution.
Lumamang na. No? Lumamang na.
Rebound ring 7.
Rebound. Uy!
Out of bounds.
Turnover.
Rebound number 8. Rebound 51.
Uy!
Foul number 8.
Robert. First foul.
First foul number 8. Out of bounds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Ten seconds shot clock. Out of bounds. Kick ball. Substitution. Substitution. Ten seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points.
Pasarex. Ay, si ano ka? Ano yun? Si James.
10 seconds shot clock. Substitution. Substitution.
Semis eh. Maganda.
Shot clock 16.
Pantayan niya.
Foul number 5.
Second.
Second foul number 5. Second foul.
Press. Yun oh. Rebound.
Rebound ring 9.
Pinahasa pa.
Face of rebound 33. Foul number 13.
13.
Timeout right. Timeout right.
Second. Time out mo, white nyo.
Second foul number 13.
Robert mo.
Exactly how you did it. Okay?
One for penalty, White.
Pasok. Penalty white. Bang.
Rebound 7.
Foul.
Foul 0-5 penalty.
Third na pre.
Third foul, number 5 penalty. Third foul.
Wala. Ah. Apat. Laban siya.
Tom, pwesto! Tom, pwesto ah!
Uy.
Out of bounds.
Over.
Okay lang, okay lang! Mak, mak, okay lang!
Ayun, baso. Tagal na. Sayang.
10 seconds shot clock. 34 to 1.
Offensive rebound. Na sir, dead ball sir, dead ball. Dead ball.
Steal 7.
Okay.
29 to points. All 37.
Ano? Pinapakita nila na kahit klase sa na.
Hanapin mo si Jun. Jun, get the ball.
10 seconds shot clock. Rebound 7. Rebound 29.
Ah,
Rebound number 8.
rebound. Hey,
Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution.
ang ganda ng laban.
Substitution.
Pinulitan ko si Web.
Ten seconds shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Steal. 10 seconds. 38 points. Steal number 8. Rebound, 33. Foul basket.
99.
Foul 99.
99 yun eh.
Second foul, pre.
Second foul 99.
Lamang na. Lamang na isa, pre. Red ball, sir.
Foul number 7. Substitution. Third team foul.
First foul. Ang ganda.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Kit. Isang kit.
Rebound 25. Steal 27. 5 points.
Ha?
2 points si Jude.
Oo nga. Shoot niya.
Steal number 8.
Number 8.
Foul number 7.
No, Mike.
Warning for penalty. Second personal foul. Number 7. Warning for penalty.
Ha?
20 seconds.
Isang rebound. First foul.
Foul number 7. Penalty. Third foul. Penalty. Both teams penalty.
Hindi. Pangalan ka mag-ano, base.
Second 8 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds.
Sino?
2 points. In the third quarter.
Good, sir.
Ano, sir, ha?
Senior officer yan. Lalo kasi nila.
Pinilipin niya nga kanina ko eh.
Dami kasi nila alaga yan. Ito. Escape eh. Ay, Singer.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter.
Silip pa. Silip pa.
Chasing out of blue.
Tatlo po.
Steal.
Ay, bumalik.
2 points. 28.
Kabaon. Assist ni Mac. Mac.
10 seconds shot clock.
You know? Ay,
27.
Foul 27.
Second.
Second foul, 27. Second foul.
pasok yung boy.
Rebound 27.
Alan, bigay ng pick. Alan, bigay ng pick. Si Dion, no? Dion. Venga.
3. 28.
Bumasok.
Steal. 93. Foul number 7.
Apat.
Fourth personal foul number 7. Warning for foul out. Warning for foul out. Number 7.
Muntik na gurati.
Dion, no? Nice, Robert. Come on.
Ah,
2 points.
pasa.
Sa boy. Pump.
Kanan. Depensa tayo.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Yun, no?
Sayang.
That was a foul.
Ano? Dito pa nakasama.
Alan, Steve. Alan, bigay mo na ng pick. Nice. Come on. Robert.
10 seconds shot clock.
Yun.
Rebound 7. Out of bounds.
Hawak mo lang. Don't shot, Dion. Nice shot.
Steal.
Steal. 34.
Bilis eh. All the way.
2 points.
James.
Come on, diretso.
Si James.
Nice shot.
Sa'yo pala yun, gago.
Steal.
Gago, si James pala yun. Sa'yo pala yun.
Foul 93. Substitution.
Foul. On you.
Mark.
Si Mark.
Mark. Mark yun.
Out of bounds.
Saan dito?
Yan, palumas. Ayan, yan. Minus.
Wala nga oh.
There's a rebound, 7.
Yan.
10 shot clock.
Turnover.
Traveling violation.
Tab. Wala na, nabigyan eh.
Still, 7. There's a rebound,
Sa'yo,
7.
sa'yo. Uy, panpon.
Block number 27, rebound number 9.
Hindi.
2 points.
Point, save. Supply ni 38. Dalawang beses. Isip rebound niya pa rin. Isip rebound.
Rebound with 7.
Charles ko, bigay ng pick, Charles.
Ten second shot clock. Rebound 24.
Yan.
Rebound number 9.
Ito na lamang.
Nice.
Foul 34. Subdivision.
Pasok.
Subdivision. Timeout, blue.
Ha?
Bukas, may pamigay dyan. Oh.
Ano? Yung natulog natin, wellness. Ano ba yan?
Abangan pa yun.
Wala.
Wala pa yun.
Health and wellness. Dami na yan.
Sa Ayan. Paano ka pumunta?
Rebound 23.
Last na to, palo ito, graduate na. Huli!
Still, number 5. Out of bounds.
Nice, Jude.
Out of bounds.
One. Tatlong triples na.
Still, the 3.